Hey, what's going on, guys? So, in this video, I want to talk about whether or not Amazon FBA is still a viable business model moving forward. A lot of things have changed on Amazon, some good, some bad, some really annoying, and we wish they would fix it. But is it still something that you should start going into the new year? Now, I'm going to share with you why most people end up quitting in the very beginning. And I'm also going to give you some like hard facts of like, look, this is what people are actually doing with the business model, and this is what you should be paying attention to. Now, I know people watching this, at least some of you guys, most of my audience is amazing. I talk to a lot of you guys over on Instagram, but for sure, some people are gonna be like, "Well, you're just saying this because you sell a program." Yeah, I do sell a program, but I also deliver consistently, result after result. And granted, it's not just me. Like when I say I'm delivering on results, I just have a little piece of the journey, right? I give you the blueprint and I show up and I make sure that I provide a service every single day to my clients. But at the end of the day, my clients are the ones that are doing the work. They're in the trenches. They're the ones building this business based on the foundation that I'm giving them, right? But if my program wasn't delivering results and this business model was no longer viable, then I wouldn't be able to show you what I'm about to show you here in a few minutes. Like we're going to dive into my actual community. I'm going to pull the curtain back and you're going to be able to see, okay, this is what the community looks like just in the last couple days, maybe up to a week or so. These aren't results that are from 6 months ago or 12 months ago or anything like that. So yes, I have a mentorship program that I fully wholeheartedly believe in because it's delivered result after result for everyday people just like you and I, people who wanted to start a business, whether to replace their current income or just to supplement their current income, just to give them some financial relief. And now they have the tools to go and do it. And so many people have done it. So is Amazon FBA still worth it in going into 2026? And I 100% wholeheartedly believe that it is. You have to understand that with any business that you start, there's going to be issues. The issues are just a little more amplified because Amazon is the one controlling everything, right? We're in their house. We nope, that is no surprise. That is no secret. We are playing in Amazon sandbox. So we have to abide by their rules. So when they make some drastic changes, yeah, it definitely affects all of us and it sucks. There's situations where, like, yeah, there's no going around it. It fucking sucks. But what are we going to do? Are we going to sit here and cry about it, get our ball and go home? Or are we just going to pivot, make adjustments like we always do, and continue to thrive when so many people have ended up leaving the business model? It just depends on what you want to do. You have to understand that the Amazon FBA business, just like any business, and I want to make this clear, it is not going to be easy. Either Amazon's going to be doing things, or if we start a different business, there's going to be other issues. If you are running a business where you need to run Facebook ads, okay, well, Facebook could completely shut your ad account down totally, right? If you're making YouTube videos and let's say you're going into faceless YouTube channels, okay, well, YouTube can make a complete shift where now you're not able to do that anymore. Or if you're doing AIP, okay, the influencer program, well, Amazon just made this change and you're no longer going to be able to get commissions for this. If you're going into Walmart, oh, well, now you can't sell baby products and consumables and all these things. So your inventory is pretty much just wiped out overnight. Oh, but let's say you're going to go build another business, your own site, everything like that. Yeah, well, now you have to solve for traffic. So do you want to deal with the issues on Amazon where you're getting millions and millions of people coming onto the site just to buy things? Or do you want to try to run ads to distract people on Instagram and TikTok or get people to your site and now you have a fraction of the traffic and you're trying to build up a brand, right? So you have to decide like there's going to be issues no matter what. Regardless of the business model, there is going to be things that we need to deal with and we need to overcome, fires that we need to put out, and pivots that need to be made because that's what we are. We're fucking business owners. And that's going to happen no matter what we do, no matter which business we go into. Doesn't matter if it's an online business, brick and mortar, person to person, B2B, B2C, does not matter. There will always be fires to put out as a business owner. And this is why I'm so clear on my messaging. Hey, this is going to take work. This is going to need effort. This is going to take consistency and time. Because if I tell you, hey, this is going to be super easy, like 1 hour a week, and you're going to be good, you're going to be able to build all these things, well, you're going to come in with those expectations. And because now I've convinced you that the race that we are about to run is going to be a 100-meter dash, and it's going to be sunshine and roses all the way there, and then you show up and it's a marathon, how likely are you going to be to end up quitting soon after those 100 meters? And that's what most people get wrong. And maybe it's the marketing from other coaches and people selling coaching programs. But my messaging is very clear. This takes time. This takes effort. This is a fucking business. And just like any business, it will require effort and work. But there have been so many people that I have helped. These are young people in high school, college, people who are retired, college athletes, actors, blue collar workers, construction workers, actors, law enforcement, military, people across the board, every walk of life. And I have consistently been able to have a small piece. I've been lucky enough, and I'm so grateful to have such a small piece in their journey to help them build a business, whether it's a full-blown operation where now they are taking it full time, or they're just supplementing their income. But I tell you that because these results are able to consistently show up because we all go in with the right mentality. Hey, we are showing up and we are running a marathon. But if you come in thinking that you're going to run a 100-meter dash, and then we show up and, hey, we're going to be running for 5 hours, guys, you got to come in with the right mentality. But I went on a huge tangent that I wasn't planning on. Let's get into the community so I can show you that this business model is doable, it's viable, and people are thriving in this business model. So like I said, these results that I'm going to be showing you aren't from 6 months ago. They're not from 12 months ago. They're not from last year and the year before that. These are people growing the business at the exact same time as you. So I'm showing them all on screen right now. This is my private community. I'm pulling the curtain back so that you can see exactly what it looks like on there. There's people like Mark who just quit his job 6 months ago. And in the last 6 months, he's done a 32K month, a 1K profit day a couple days ago. The last 7 days, he's at 12K with 2,500 of that being profit. And he's crossed the 6-figure mark. Christy just crossed the 6-figure mark. Ian, who jumped into this program with no money for capital, for inventory, and then sold stuff on eBay just to have money for inventory. And now he's at like a $4,500 a month. Carolina started the business with $500. Last month profited just under $1,700. Now you're going to see a bunch of these as I'm talking here. Just to refresh my memory, Douglas just posted 20K. Christy, 100K. Yoshika, 13K. Mark, another Mark. He was on the channel. For the last 5 days, he's profited $6.6 thousand, guys. And I'm just going to keep going down for this little section. But keep in mind, guys, these are people building the business at the exact same time as you. So you look at these results of people who have different tools and resources at their disposal, and then you make the decision, is Amazon FBA still worth it or not? And guys, yeah, I have an incentive to tell you that. But look, I'm showing you the cold, hard facts. I'm not going to tell you, hey, no, guys, no, it's not because I have a course. Guys, I have a program, of course. But look at how well it works. Look at all these people who built this on the side of their full-time income. And then they're able to go and create these amazing businesses. Mark, when he jumped into the program, he was stuck at 2 to 3K. 2 to 3K. In the last 5 days, he's profited $6.6 thousand. Okay. The other Mark Crocker, when he jumped in the program, he made a $5,000 purchase order right before joining the program, and he was not able to sell it. Took a massive L. And then now he's able to just come back, quit his job, $1,000 profit day, doing incredible work. So you have to ask yourself, it's like, is the business model not viable? Or do I just not have the tools at my disposal? But that's something that I wanted to show you because in 2026, I'm going to go harder on this model and exposing it and allowing people to realize, hey, there are other options and there is actually a clear path that you can follow. Because you got to think about it like this. The next 12 months are going to pass by no matter what, depending on when you're watching this. But regardless, let's say I post this on January 1st. The next 12 months will pass by no matter what. Whether you do this on your own or you don't do this at all, you end up quitting, or you go and pursue another shiny object, or you jump into a mentorship program, or you just jump into the model wholeheartedly, you're all in and you are ready to make this work. The next 12 months will pass by no matter what, but the results at the end of those 12 months are going to be drastically different depending on the decisions that you ended up making. And that's how you have to view things, guys. Because look, at the end of the day, it's all on you. Even if you were to join my mentorship program or join another mentorship program. At the end of the day, it's all on you. But you can do things to stack the chips in your favor. You can do things to give yourself a competitive advantage. Or you can just be like, no, I'm going to do it on my own, all off of YouTube videos, even though it's not working. So yeah, Amazon FBA is still an incredible business model going into 2026. And I want to get more people involved with the business model and help more and more people than ever get results with this business model. Because guys, one thing you got to understand about me is I don't view myself as, hey, I'm this big entrepreneur and I'm so successful and this and that. Guys, I just want to give people hope because I remember exactly what it felt like sitting in my car, dreading going to work, and then clocking in, starting my shift and being like, I'm going to be here for the next 30 years doing the exact same thing that I'm doing now when life is passing me by. And there's so many other options for me to make money. And at the time, I didn't even know those were a possibility. But as soon as I was exposed to the reality of things, I was like, I can't sit here for the next 30 years. I can't sit here as my kids grow up and I miss everything because I live just to work. I get one day off as like my peaceful time because I don't have work the next day. But I know work is coming up on Monday morning. So all of Sunday, I'm just dreading what's coming because I have to go and clock in for another week. And then this is my life. I spend all my time here, 40 hours plus a week. Then we have overtime. Then we have on-call. Then we have this and that. We're showing up early. We're staying late for $3,300 a month. I miss my life and I live at this job that I don't want to be at for $3,300 a month. Amazon FBA is an incredible business model. Just make sure you're coming in with the right mentality, ready to work and be consistent. And if you look at all the people I showed you, don't look at them and think, oh man, I'm not growing as fast as them. I'm not doing these numbers like them. You need to look at them and realize they are no different than you. And if they can do it, there is no reason why you can't do the same. What I always used to tell myself is, why not me? If this person was able to do it and that person was able to do it, why can't I do the exact same? They just have a little head start. They just started earlier than you. But if you don't start now, you're going to be constantly looking at people and be like, oh my God, they're so much further ahead. Yeah, it's because they fucking started and they didn't stop. But you continue to start and you stop every time things get a little bit difficult. Come in with the right mentality, ready to work, and there's no reason why you can't get results just like the ones that I showed you.